apply to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extremities between emotions. So you're looking at euphoria and dysphoria. There's a sort of disparity between emotional states, and these emotional states are extremities. This is bipolar 1 manic episode. Bipolar 2 hypomania is a milder version of bipolar 1 manic episode, where you have these mood fluctuation between euphoria and dysphoria, but they're not as extreme. Then you have cyclothymia or cyclothymia, which is a milder version of bipolar, where the mood fluctuation tends to oscillate on a day-to-day basis. There's this high rise and fall, this sort of emotional fluctuation that occurs multiple times simultaneously on a day-to-day basis. Then you have atypical, which doesn't fall into any one of the categories. And then we go into areas like comorbid mental disorders, where there's multiple mental disorders that collide and converge simultaneously, where you end up in a predicament where one cancels out each other. A prime example is when high functioning autism meets bipolar 1 manic episode. One tend to cancel out each other, or there's some profound convergence occurs. That's beside the point. The whole point here is to explore what exactly causes bipolar. There's a